Welcome to Lesson 12, Configuring Routing on a Cisco Router, Sublesson 12.5, Configuring OSPF. We have two Nexus 7000s that are connected by a routed link on ports E446 and E448. Let's take a look. Similar to what we've done in all the past lessons, in order to use OSPF, we have to first turn on the feature by typing Feature OSPF in the Global Configuration mode. Now we've enabled OSPF, we need to go ahead and configure OSPF. We're going to do so by stating router OSPF and giving it a process name. Once again, there are tons of different configurations you can do underneath the routing process that are outside the scope of this lab. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of there. Now we need to go under the interface that we want to participate in the OSPF protocol. So let's go to interface E4/46. Underneath this interface, we need to enable OSPF. So we're going to go ahead and do that by saying IP router OSPF, give it the process name that we used, CCNA, and now we get to specify which area we're a part of. In this case, we're going to specify area 0. This interface should now be trying to form neighbor relationships. Let's take a look. Show IP OSPF neighbors. Sure enough, I see a neighbor 192.168.0.2, and I have exchanged databases with him, and I've established that relationship over Ethernet interface 4/46. Another great command that we can use to see our OSPF configuration is show run OSPF. This will show us all the OSPF configuration that is currently on the device. A couple more show commands that we can use to help us see what's going on here is show IP OSPF interface. This command will show me a ton of information on the interface. It'll show me that the interface is up, the line protocol is up, what IP address it has, which process ID it's part of. We can see who the designated router is and who the backup designated router is. In this case, we only have 2 routers on the network. So the other switch is the designated router and I am the backup designated router. Finally, if we want to take a look at the OSPF routing table, we can type in show IP OSPF route. Here we can see that I've identified a route and it's to the network 192.168.0.0/24. Once again, because this route is already identified as a directly connected route, the OSPF route will not be picked. Instead, all we'll see in the routing table are the directly connected routes. Please join me for the next lesson, Configuring Inter-VLAN Routing.